So when we trigger capture, all four camera systems are synchronized in frame accurate synchronization. So that when you align one camera, like with the finish line, this camera, this camera, this camera, all aligned, that allows you to choose their best view and then take that view, show the replay. But if you want to then grab another view, everything is still synchronized, so you can go to a second view or a third view. In the case of like sports, where maybe there's a batter and you might have a camera on the right side and the front and left, as they come around the swing, you can just change different views and everything will be in synchronization. That way the bat doesn't jump back, when you synchronize, when you take another shot. But you notice the quality of the image, very high quality, and the ability to slow it down, since we're taking a true super slow motion. The slow motion is very good, very high quality slow motion replay. It makes it good for not only for enhancing the broadcast and allowing people to see what just happened better, but it's also good for a judgment system. So if people need to go back and look at the play and see multiple angles, make a determination on whether the call on the field was correct or not, then this system allows you to